I think the ten tenets are a really useful reminder for all of us in terms of what really shapes our unique way of working in Reliance, and for us in Reliance Foundation. It does provide us with a useful framework to make sure that that is something that we're always delivering on. Whether you're a leader or whether you're a team member, these are all principles that we all aspire to live by and help drive our work to be able to support communities. I think the tenet of community engagement really does shape everything that we do at Reliance Foundation. So, Reliance Foundation was set up in 2010 by our chairperson, Mrs. Nita Ambani, and its purpose is to implement all of the philanthropic activities of Reliance. We work in a vast array of different areas, from rural transformation to helping to empower and support rural communities with improving livelihoods, to health, to education, to sports for development, women empowerment, disaster management, arts and culture, and urban renewal. Over the last 13 years, our work has touched the lives of over 70 million people across the country so far. And we have a very strong focus on empowering women and children and youth as well. We have a strong focus on empowering leaders too. So not just within our organization, within the foundation itself, both focusing on supporting our leaders and helping incubate new young talent through our Young Managers program, through our Rural Transformation program. We have worked a lot with leaders in villages, at the village association level, at the Grand Panchayat level, and supporting with capacity building there. Through our education program, we provide teacher awards to help encourage teaching excellence. We have a scholarship program where we're helping to sort of incubate and support rising talent, who we hope will be the future leaders of tomorrow in India. And through programs like our Women Lead India Fellowship, we're helping to incubate and support women leaders in the social sector. It really drives the essence of all of the work that we do. And it's all very much driven by the foundation and Reliance's overall vision of We Care. And I think it's been a very humbling experience. And I think one of the things that I've gained the most is really learning how to be able to sort of work at scale, and the really strong focus that Reliance has on developing innovations, using technology in creative ways. And the most humbling experience I had was during COVID. It was a hard time for everybody. But as an organization, both Reliance and Reliance Foundation simultaneously also very quickly thought about what were we going to do to be able to help support during that time, through whatever initiatives that we could do. That was one of the most humbling experiences to be part of.